What if the market isn't random? And what if Wall Street has been hiding something from you, and you've been looking for it in all the wrong places? Today, we pull back the curtain. I used to think I just needed the right indicator, the right strategy, the right signal. Then I lost $10,000 on AMC options. And that's when I realized they don't teach retail traders how the game is actually played. By the end of this video, you're going to view the market entirely different. A few years back, I was just like you, watching charts, buying courses, following gurus. I had perfected the indicators. I perfected my strategy. And when it didn't work, I did what most traders do. I traded again, harder, faster, trying to recoup my losses. That's revenge trading. And it cost me what little confidence I had left. No matter what I did, I kept losing. Why? Because I was solving the wrong problem. The issue wasn't a pattern. It wasn't a moving average. It wasn't my strategy. It wasn't even support and resistance. At least, not the way it's usually taught. Retail traders don't lose because of the charts. They lose because their trading mindset collapses under pressure. Here's what Wall Street understands. Markets move on fear and greed, and institutions count on retail traders being emotional. When you panic sell at the bottom, who's buying? The institutions. When you FOMO buy at the top, who's selling? The institutions. Your emotions become their profit. Here's the truth. Until you master trading psychology, you're not really trading. Instead, you're funding Wall Street. Here's the second secret, and this one hurt when the truth finally clicked. Most traders react to price. Smart traders anticipate price. There's a massive difference. Reactive trading is gambling. Anticipatory trading is a system, and a system requires trading discipline, the ability to follow your rules under pressure. That discipline is not technical. It's emotional control. That's why Market Mindset University is built around psychology first. Even the best strategy fails when fear, greed, and ego overpower you. The third secret is the one nobody wants to hear. Your setup isn't the problem. You are. You can have the perfect setup and still blow your account. You move your stop loss. You double down on a losing trade. You let a winner turn into a loser because greed takes over. Even when the market reveals the secret, you still can't execute it. Why? Because you haven't mastered the psychology of trading. When I finally stopped blaming the market and started studying my own behavior as a trader, everything changed. That's exactly what Day Zero at Market Mindset University teaches in depth. And it's completely free. No credit card, no catch. Just the psychological foundation every trader needs before risking a single dollar. We didn't build MMU to give you more indicators. We built it to give you the psychological foundation that makes every strategy work better. We're a community of traders who understand that mindset is the edge. Most traders skip the foundation entirely. Day Zero exists to fix that. If this resonated with you, don't just agree with it, fix it. Go to mmu.media and grab Day Zero. Inside you'll get the Quick Start Guide, a private WhatsApp community, the Trading Toolkit, Thinkorswim, TradingView, and TraderView, the Mental Makeover, the psychological foundation most gurus ignore. This is the trading discipline framework serious traders build upon. 7 foundational lessons, completely free. And when you're ready to go deeper, enroll in our full 30-day university course. Right now, it's 50% off until we reach day 20. We'll meet you there. Practice with purpose. Perform with precision. That's our winning edge.